getting ready to go for a walk.
Wait,
Zoe's ready.
Let her carry it for a minute, please. Is that your purse?
Good job. Can Zoe have a turn? Zoe, can Zoe have a turn?
Zoe.
Look at you, Zoe. Hi.
Hi, Zoe.
Hi. Where's your purse? She got that purse and put it on her shoulders.
Can she see that, please?
Can you let your sister borrow it for a minute? Just for a second.
We'd like to see her put it on her arm. It's so funny.
Just like Zuzu, so she's a big girl. Yes, just like Zuzu.
Yes.
Can you let Zoe have a turn? Just a quick,
Zoe have a turn
before we go.
Hurry, please.
Well, you just give it to Zoe. Just put it on her hand. Here's Zoe. Is that yours, Zoe? Oh, that's Zuzu. She's borrowing it. She's letting you borrow it. What are you gonna do with it?
Yeah.
There you go! Yay!
Oh, it's okay, Zuzu.
You gonna stand up and go, Zoe? Bye-bye, Zoe. Let's go. Stand up. Get up. Let's go to the beach. Ready? Go bye-bye. Don't forget your purse. Yes, those are your shoes. Don't forget your purse, Zoe.
Here's Zoe.
Oh, go, Zoe. Look at Zoe go.
Look at that.
Bye, Zoe. Bye.